Hey everybody, it's NJTM Track Guy again. Today is June 29th, 2013, and again I'm out riding my bike and near the World Trade Center again, so I just thought I'd do this very brief, quick video. From the way that things look, not too much has changed. I mean, this side of the base is filled in, almost. But really not too much has changed, so this is just the progress as of now. So yeah, again, 1 and 4 World Trade Center are both looking sharp, and they are going to continue their work internally. And not too much of a difference with Tower 3. There's a little more glass, but nothing significant. It's wrapped around the side. Other than that, everything is still looking the same. Alright, so here's just another very quick look. Not much of a change since last week. I'm usually not here on a weekly basis. I'm just out on my bike again. It looks beautiful. Looks like they did something to that window that they were working on. I don't know what that's about, but so yeah, there's 1 World Trade Center. The Freedom Tower. Whichever you want to call it. Looks amazing. Here's Tower 4 World Trade Center. It's also looking very sharp. And when Towers 2 and 3 join it, it'll be amazing. As I've said in the past, when they get here, this site will be full.
This is just a down slope too. You do this. You always stay to the right. And everybody to the right.
There again is 1 World Trade Center. everybody. That's all the time I have for today. So again, I hope you've enjoyed this very brief, quick look. And yep, here is One World Trade Center. I hope you've enjoyed this quick look update. I'm NJT Amtrak Guy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.